Now, today we are going to see the brief introduction about the Google Web Stories, right? So, what is this and why Google make it, right? So, it is a format where people can watch the content in a way of stories, right? Now, if you open the Google, you will find a stories section, and here are the whole stories. Now, these stories are fetched from the websites like us and like other websites, right? So if you want to get the details, okay, so you can just check out the stories.google domain. And how to install it, let's see. So what you have to do is you have to go on your WordPress dashboard, and here you have to go on to plugins. Now there are two popular plugins that you can use to make this web stories. Okay, so if I write the web stories, I will get the first one by Google, okay, and this is the official plugin from Google. But the second plugin, which is also the most popular, is Make Stories, and this is before the plugin officially launched. Okay, so first is Make Story launched. Okay, it's by Make Stories, and it is also Google trustworthy, right? So if you search for Make Stories, you will found create your best, okay, the only Google web story building platform you will ever need, right? So both are before Google web story plugin, okay, this came up into the market, and this helps to drive a lot of traffic into a website, right? Then after this the Google officially launched the web stories, right? So we will go through the official way, of course, and we will just click on install. And then we will just activate the plugin. Now after activating the plugin, here you will find the Google Stories, which is named as Stories. And from here you will have to go on settings, and you have to just you have to upload your logo, website logo. So here is my website logo. I will just upload it. And if you want to reduce the hosting cost, and so you can just use the cache memory from Google, but in our case we don't need it. And you can place the Google AdSense code here. So we haven't set up the Google AdSense yet, so, and we haven't got the approval yet on this domain, so it don't work right now, but we will go through it later on, right? So this is the basic of stories. We will start making stories soon, right? So first we will have to publish some content, right? So let's go with the other topic, which is adding more users on your website.